What is up, guys? Today I've got a very short video on routing or routing policies, however you want to pronounce it. So first off, I'm going to explain all these and what they do. It's going to be very short, very simple. Let's get started. Simple, it just sends everything to that server. Super simple. There's no, crazy things happening behind the scenes. So simple is just how it sounds. Simple. Weighted, let's say you have two web servers. You want to send 30% of the traffic to one server and 70% to the other. You can do that with weighted. You can set the weight on one server to 70%, the other on 30%, and 7 people will go to one server, 3 people go to the other, and it will just do that cycle through for everybody that comes to your servers. Latency, this is whatever server is nearest to your client that has the best connection. So it's not necessarily the closest, but it generally is. It's just whatever has the lowest ping rate and all that good stuff. Failover, if you have something fell over, you can have a backup. Super simple to understand. Geolocation is, let's say you have a server in Ireland and a server in London. Well, if you're in Ireland, it's going to, route you to the server in Ireland. It's just wherever your location is based on the server proximity, not necessarily the latency. Multivalue is actually something, somewhat new. It's newer than the others. You can just randomly have it distribute among your servers. No, rhyme or reason. It's just going to be a random, value. So that's the basics of routing or routing policies. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comment section below. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. I've got some cool projects coming soon. I'll see you guys next time. See ya.